Why you think say you should have really sit down on one land and think say the government now come feed? Then you not watch how much news. Eh? Remember, you know, many capture land come with bridge light. Many capture land come with bridge light because the place they not depend GPS map. And you're so damn creative. When you run on a water source. When you have running water. When you have a bathroom with shower. Because they are poor. Them poor mentally. Because if you're going enough of these capture houses, may I tell you something? So, Miss One Lady a class, Ibani, say, Ibani, it no matter and it not this, but me go tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. I know, because Trelawny is a place where I like. You understand me? I'm going to tell you this. You see, if the land is not yours, don't develop it. Just the same way I tell you, say, never you go on a family land, go talk about you develop family land. Because it's when mommy and daddy dead, I pay a war go on over the land. You see the amount of money when enough we spend on people place. If we could have channel all of the money there, put it down and buy somewhere for ourselves, it would have far better. So on a serious note, Ibani words might come out wrong, you know. Ibani tone might sound bad, you know. But the wording not wrong. The wording not wrong. It not wrong. I only am one law boss, you know, say Shebby this. Why them boy must have sent me them requests and them know really and truly say them not to want they pan live with me because them have them image back. Why? No, for true. No, it's true. So you see when them wanna say them take away the men from the community, them just want a peaceful, them are something another. Them want a peaceful one. Let me tell you the truth. Not even the land where you buy and build house pan belongs to you. Melissa not teach you nothing. Demolition, right? Demolition man. You know, Melissa not teach you nothing. You cannot have you cannot capture somewhere and go catch up somewhere and expect say you want to call it a community. Save your money because you see, me gonna say this, a lot of you have some good houses. And if you don't have good house, whether they make out a board, you don't have nice furniture and appliances in them. You understand me? Pan capture land. There is no safety there. No safety not there. You understand me? Melissa not teach you nothing. Sometimes you say we as individuals we're too careless. We too careless. The time God put on a desk so until now, when call it on a birth ground. It's not on a birth ground. You stay there and acquire something. You don't have to pay rent like everybody else. I know it's so funny too. Somebody capture land, you have people are collect off it. Yeah. Some of the capture lands, you have people are collect off it. You never know that. Then no, you want prime minister and government for back on. They are not going to back on. Let me tell you some money talk and bullshit walk. Una na project. Una squatters them a call you. Squatters. You never know. So anybody will live by any more capture land in a Jamaica, please save your money. Please save your money so when them come here say, give me a little time. And you go rent somewhere. And no for only can rent and pay rent. A lot of you guys can rent and pay rent for real. Not because of the situation, people are going to say, oh God, you put yourself in such a situation. See, you remember the girl where them did sell somewhere without receipts? Yes, people have to be smart in Jamaica now. But as I said last night, if Jamaicans beg a little ketchup, and you give them little, them not buying a ketchup till your ketchup done. Them are going to source out before them go buy. Them are going to source out who else have little ketchup can give them. Jamaicans like the easy way out at all times. It's surprising that we all can say Jamaicans are not independent. You know why we can say so? Because the big deal of Jamaicans were independent, you know, that can't match up to the ones who are non-progressive. You understand me? So you just have to say Jamaicans just not independent. And it's just the truth. Because you are trying as a Jamaican to be independent, and you have all of these people, you understand me, all of your nationality and your bloodline, them just non-progressive. One of Jamaica's major liberty is to fight over deadlift. You never know, in every family you find somebody a fight over deadlift. Make it make sense. Your mother have 40 liberty now, you know. And when you're a doctor, you want piece of the land. Come on, somebody. And when you're a lawyer, you want piece of the property. God bless you for have a house up at Jackshill, and you're coming to Franklin Town, a fight for 1 yard. You see when I tell you, say, you take the egg out of the mud, but you cannot get the mud out of the egg. It's a serious statement. Where is your sense of independence, but yet still everybody a walk a talk to them rich? Alright, let me say this. I born in one yard, I born in one place where our grandfather died, left 3 yards. 3. And when me tell you, say them go down Emmanuel Road, Gallant Boy, figure broke Rockstone. You see me, I would never ever partake. When me a go, Jai always say this, and she say it out of nothing. Mother have, father have, blessed is the child that have his own. I never know it sticking on me. I must say true, my love mix up. You see, once my money no buy what you offer to me, Nicoline, you can never get me fight my brother and sisters over it. You can never get me put up a war over it. You never know. You see, anything my money buy, I will take off your head. Oh. Me no run them joke there. No come tell me say, you know, say your name depend the will give away my part if I even give to the church. Give it what where share up the place. Where you say, give away my part, give the church my piece of land. Yeah, make them build one basic school on it. Yeah. Give the church my piece of land. No, it's true. Me no want a generation curse upon me. Me no know if my grandfather did suck out feet and my grandmother did lick out batty feet. Me no want a generation curse upon me. Because oftentimes appear lie tell forget property. Yeah, ask if I'm serious, I'm serious. That's what I'm telling you, say. You say things don't matter to you, no? It really don't matter me. And that people don't know about me. You say things don't matter to you, no? Really don't. I work at one company for 18 years. And I work with like millions of dollars. Unbelieve me though, I never get fired because I couldn't get fired. I work with leave a bag of money. You never know, because I don't have a mental preparation already. Nothing about me. Why you think me no come on the app come say, shoot for me na Taps and Rose. Come on man, send 2 money gone. Come on man, do this for me. Why you think me no come so? You see, if I had fought for anything that I walked away leave, may I tell you the truth, I wouldn't be this character today. I wouldn't be so comfortable today. I wouldn't in such a peace today. I wouldn't can see myself like this today. Meaning that me can order where me want, buy where me want, go where me want go. You never know. We Jamaicans hold back ourselves in a poverty. We often hold back ourselves in poverty. And the funny part about life, when people see me on the ranking, them say, Shebada rank. I never beg to. But the blessing of Almighty God caused me to be there in a phone side. So it's surprising to own something as cheap as that. Are we just talking about something as cheap as that? I remember one time I did New Orleans Jaden come from 11. Jaden said, Shebada, let me ask you a serious question. Where you get money from? No, me and you no friend them weird if you ask me such a question, but I understand why you ask me such a question. You understand me? I do understand, because if everybody have the same message about me that don't know me, why is it that I seem as if I'm excelling? Or why is it that I am excelling? But ask my corner, ask my student, what is our motto? Little is much when God is in it. Little is much when God is in it. You see, when time people say I'm a bad mind, I'm a stay bad, I'm a this, I'm a that, I'm in a have good ways, I'm a like project myself and blah blah rah. This is what it shows when you humble yourself in the presence of Almighty God. This is how God bless you. If you read Isaiah, God make bird carry food, come give him. God make bird carry food, come give him, and God give him a little stream down there so for go and drink till it dry up. You never know that. The problem that most of us who seem successful have is that we are not a praying person. You know what is our problem? We have to lie, kill and steal. And so people are going to respect you, say you're rich and you have money. Check the internet. Check the internet. People label you based on how you look. If you always have the life out the door, you're homeless. You don't know. Legion is true. The internet forces you to be a different character that they want you to be. You will never get me to be that. If you're not brag, yeah, them say you broke. Them say you splinter away. No man, the girl let splinter away. Me not even a beg she. You know, she say I crumbs that. It's true. We are a set of people who are forced to live out of our real order. We're forced to live above our means. And then the lies them start coming. And once they let in one lie, it feel like you can let in two because nothing bad. And then you let in three. And all of a sudden you just become a liar. Every day you're in a white shirt. All that is a bother. You think it not sweet me? When people talk? I don't want white shirt you have, but you never see banana stain on it yet, repeatedly. You understand the mentality of some persons? Thank you very much. You're through me attack. Do you understand? If you look good, them say you look bad. And if you look bad, them say you look badder. Exactly, Pink Patty. Because one thing I notice in the people, I tell myself, say, alright, I not too like the colored clothes. I mean, so I buy all 3 dozen white tops one time. I say, how much days in the month? 31. I buy all 40. And then I go back and buy all 40. You understand me? I 80 that. And then if I feel like I go buy all 20 or 100 that. You get what me I say? Because one thing with white tees, you can wear it with anything. An easy grab. All that them have a problem with. Look on the shirt neck. Look on your soul. Me have all white tees so me just can't bother wash, me just dash them away. When me a soak white tees for putting in my machine, trust me, me can't done ring. See, there's somebody say them husband have over 3,000. But people don't understand that. People want you to live according to how they want you to live. You never know that. Your son wear black tees, don't. Exactly. Of course, them create their own perception of your success. And that kill the internet. You never know, and that run up and down into the internet. I will never come on the net and be what anybody want me to be. I will never do that. Never. I have more white tees than enough girl, man. And the white tees, them man find them, you know. Them find them man in a white tees. A white tees the man did have on before the relationship starts. You never know. I mean, I have more white tees than him. Some people don't understand. So you don't have no colored clothes. When you see me in a them, you talk. But for now, just go and penny the white. This is what happened. Jamaicans have a mentality where they believe that they can change individual. And they sit back and say, and me make you do this, and me make you do that. Jamaica have that mentality. And them not change themselves. Alright, let me tell you why them stay so. Some people have no integrity. Some people have no moral and experience. Them prize themselves in creating characters. Meaning that a lot of persons love to tell you what to do instead of doing what they should be doing. What do you mean by that? You notice a broke Jamaican man or woman have great ideas for your money, for you. Why am I think you should have opened one little hairdresser parlor and she can do ear, you know? You know, and she now open it, you know? Why am I think so you should have buy a deep freeze and sell some ice and she can do it because she depend on bridge light? She's not going to do it. You know what she's going to do? She'll go buy the artist lace wig and the artist outfit. Just go to her road and say she's one hot girl in her community. You never know, hot girl with a stinking mouth. You never know that. A lot of Jamaicans have great ideas for your money. But ask them what they might do with feed them money. Because if you book a Jamaican that is successful, especially, let me use the inner city again. If you book a Jamaican where I go to China, she not going to tell you. And you're not a friend, you know. She not going to tell you, say, yeah man, I have a link and go to China. She alone go to China and come back come hype on you. You never know that. She go want you for ladder. You never know that. Eh? No care how you and I used to be hungry together. She gonna leave you. A lot of them used to use foreign pan people. When them come from friends in the inner city, all in a sun hat. The sun hat like now. And them pocketbook bigger than one suitcase. And you saw them have it underneath them arm. And you walk beside them in your dirty slippers. You know your dirty slippers, the only way you get good treatment from them, unless them want you follow them go somewhere important and you know look the part, them dress you the part. You never know that? Oh, remember when foreign was a show off from people? Hey. Yes, when foreign was a show off. And me and Mudfish and Kay and them a walk. I don't know if you don't know one wine named Ice Wine, it's expensive. Ice wine. I go foreign and I bring down ice wine and I say, come on and drink that. Anytime no man carry no out and nobody carry no out, and them a both pan on and ask them if them have any ice wine, they will get the message of where you're coming from. Me now ask you, ice wine, ice wine. Kim read Jamaican 3 o'clock, man. No say nothing. Yeah, ice wine. Ice wine. Me always ask Kay and them. It's a female drink. It's so nice. Yeah. Me always say come. I remember one time Kay and say it's her birthday. And me say her birthday and she say, Shebada, me never got triple century. Who remember triple century in a New Kingston? She said she never got triple century yet. And I said, Kay, and you take so much man and them never carry go places yet? She said, no, me never got triple century yet. And me carry I got triple century for your birthday. When I did them, I say, order anything where you want. Any single thing at all where you want. Courtney Walsh own it. Not Courtney Walsh, Chris Gale. Yeah. Courtney Walsh own the one around the road. Yeah. Me say order anything where you want. Me see the amount of money you take Cuddies. A Cuddies in there? I think so, yeah. Yeah, me say other anything where you want, I'm paying. And with them she go low, me say go high. It's your birthday, go high. Yeah, me say go high. Me say when you done eat, cause we should order, you know, a curry shrimp. Me say girl, me say you know eat steak. You know eat them something there. Me say order a plate of quesadillas. Cause I ask still quesadillas them sell too, you know. Say order a plate of quesadillas, man. Order a serving. And she said when she want fruit punch, me say no. Give her one Long Island iced tea. Yeah, me say give one Long Island iced tea. Me say this that I'm doing for you simply means that any man at all look you and carry you out. They gotta take you places that you still know the menu without reading it. No, Viola, it's true because guess what? You say if you invite me out, me I gotta tell you, say, me I ask you, are you sure? Because me have a different taste bud when me bathe. When me bathe, me have a different taste bud. Once me bathe and put on my clothes and you tell me say you're taking me out, me can't have a vinegar taste bud. Yeah man, my taste bud just different. And you see how you treat yourself, you don't expect anybody else to treat you less. Breads is true. Yeah, Breads, come here. If you Jamaican bad boy or somebody will take care of yourself in a private, how somebody for bring you down in a public? Some of them not take care of themselves. That's why when you go out with them parlor, it's different. When you see some people go out and them settle for anything, me don't want none of that after me not name that. So you're not eating tonight? No, I'm not. Excuse me, could I get 2 shots of tequila, please? What's the tequila brand? Yeah. What's your tequila brand? I want to know. I want to know how fast it will reach me. You get what I say? Anything that I can afford in private, you can't frighten me with it in a public. And that enough people don't know. Tequila Gold a cheap brand, man. You can't frighten me. You never know. Afternoon, my baby. You can't frighten me. You see, because me know say, me take care of myself. You can't frighten me with nothing at all. Nothing at all. Patron. Is it the one with the worm? Is it the one with the worm? Give me the one with the worm. Yeah, you cannot frighten me. And that catch enough people as Jamaicans. That is why they will catch up at their mother yard, they will live at them friend yard for umpteen years and want to inherit them friend house. That is why people don't know how to take care of themselves, because everybody believes say you have to dress up and go out into the crowd for people to say yeah, you always a go. The best partying, one of the best partying are when you make your house like out a door, meaning that see a bar there and you can sit down here. So if you smoke pipe, if you smoke cigar, if you smoke split, if you smoke cigarette, whatever you smoke, you have your liquor, you have the food of your choice. I could have nachos and cheese. You have the food. You don't know how peaceful that be and relaxing. Sometimes if you mix Kool-Aid and show in a champagne glass and sit for our balcony. You never know. Me don't know how people find in themselves every day if they get up and go in a crowd. That's not living life. That's not living life. That's you calculating how much money you spend. Even when you come back home, you say, right, the whole heap of money you spend. A lot of us have a budget for go give people our own. I mean, now say you can't go out, but the effort the effort that we put out in going places, especially the same places every single day of the year, or every month, or every week. So when 10 people sit down on live like Rosalie and say, I have my money, bitch, you got nothing. You got no money. You don't have no money, you don't have no peace, you don't have no joy, you don't have no happiness. You don't even have sanity. That much people for understand. You don't have anything. So when time people say you sit down, son. When I look how God bless me, any normal day at all I can drink any say. Now people, you have some hot boy out there, when them a go one function, say them a go Zimmy, we just a use Zimmy. Say them a go Zimmy, them buy them liquor from early and carry it, go give the bartender Zimmy. And say when we reach at the dance, we're gonna come and go like a buy, we are buy. Them time they pay chaser, them a buy. You never know, say so you go. So you never know, say enough time when you go party and you see people table well decorated. And then the bartender get the money. You never know that. The artist set a boy them go at the liquor store them or even up a price smart. So you never know that. And then buy the liquor because they cannot buy the liquor inside the function. It is too high. All their station, thank you Lionel. It's true. So you never know that. Them a buy the chaser, which them pocket can reach, cause of that them but you never know. And when you see them table, a pay top shelf liquor. Tell a hot boy say yeah come down. Yo, you can't bring one of them SSP there for me. If a 2 back like SSP, they can't pick it up for me. Yeah. No, I'm just using Zimmy as a function because I can't remember no function. They never said Zimmy function. I told you this a while ago. Aren't you listening? I never said Zimmy function. I say maybe use Zimmy for example. Because I can't remember no function. Stick to the program. Open your ears and listen. I never said them do it at Zimmy. I couldn't remember no other party locally. So don't come here and tell no lie for me. Do not tell any untruth on me. I'm just using Zimmy for example. I never said they do it at Zimmy. They face Goliath trouble for real. For example, that's what I said. It's just an analogy me I give. I never said Zimmy do it or Zimmy for do it. And we all know so the party they may pay your money and you go in. And you drink and eat. Goldmine what one girl? I saw no walk and tell lie. But I'm telling you, when you see the hot party them keep, them buy them alcohol and send in. So sometimes you say, Jesus, them bleach out boy, they hot them table nice. No. The liquor them buy from in the day and after the bar. Example bell. I saw people stay, listen with understanding, not to type, true. No, it's just the truth. So people, let me tell you something. Never you allow somebody to come into your life and try to tell you, say, Lord man, fix up yourself in the house. If you're in your house and you want to carry yourself raggedy, do so. Because you know definitely say when you go to the door, you're going to look much better than inside. Am I lying? You're not so fool. Yeah, it's true. One of the followers then bring it in. It's true. It's true. If you're in your house and you don't feel like put on your clothes, it's okay. Ask enough people. If in them house them not feel threatened by people outside same way. You're not living for you. You're not living for you. Why you think the body when them say, move around, you not have nothing in your house, you're not gonna know what I have. It's always gonna be a surprise. You're not gonna ever know. Me like keep people wondering, just like my love life. 3 months a year you not do for. You not feel bad, you not feel like you think less. You not feel like you think less. And it's not a lie. Enough boy you see I drive the hottest car and can't even fold the tank. Enough boy you see I drive the latest vehicle and can't even insure it. You will never know say I say go. Enough boy you see I do that. And that's why you know to envy people. That is why you're not to envy people. And when me go reach this in a bankruptcy, And when me go reach this in a shame and disgrace? Eh? Some people cause you go a Camry or drive, but insurance company know you. When police stop you on the road, them say go on, cause your papers up to scratch. Eh? Exactly, water your grass and stop look for your neighbor's own. Very good. It's true. When you see people all go all out to put AC in a boardhouse, I mean not talk the good boardhouse them, you know. Me I talk the boardhouse them when they have good windows and door, everything I escape. So your AC just feel like fan. Eh? Your AC just feel like fun because you believe so you're Afro pop style. Let me tell you this. I Red Eye and Bad Mind mash up enough Jamaicans. Red Eye and Bad Mind, you stretch your basket where you can't reach it. Me now ask you, nobody now make me go above and beyond. Me tell you say if I take the JUTC bus and eat dinner every single night and can go which part I want go. If I want one ice cream cone, me can buy it. I rather take the JUTC bus than buy a car and don't have no dinner many nights. Me nah run them joke there. Me nah run them joke there. Number one, me never drop out of my mother on a steering wheel. So me nah have not even learners. Everybody I buy a car. Me I buy one too. No, it's true. Live within your own means. Old people always say, no put your head where your basket carry reach and not stretch something another about basket. Don't put your egg in a one basket. You understand me? Do not put your eggs in one basket. Spread it out. You go buy one car and mash up yourself. Don't put your hat where you can't reach it. Thank you. And if you see the internet make a lot. Alright, what I notice about the internet, it make you lose respect for a lot of elders. It make you lose respect for a lot of persons. Talk truth. Eh? The internet make you lose respect for a lot of persons. Because guess what? Them come and them attach themselves to the behavioral pattern of the app. Nobody dare to be different. Nobody dare to be different. It's just all a hype and the hype can't last. The hype won't last. It's all a hype. Everything is for a hype. Every single thing is for a hype. If somebody say, you not have no clothes, you never look good on live yet, you know what happen next week? You start dress up. And them don't know say when you wear on the internet, you know, you can't wear it out the road. Cause them say, oh, I'm seeing on live in that already. All of it on celebrities. You never know that. Gone are the days when you could repeat your gears. You never know that. Gone are the days when you could repeat your gears. You know, you buy a nice top. I used to love that top. Every time I put on that top, you get ratings speed. Once you put it on and come on the internet, you can't put it on again. Your beautiful top. Eh? Everybody turns celebrities. Of course. And my clothes, I mean, now stop me. I wear every dollar out of it. Every dollar. Then me can buy one nice sneakers now. I'm gonna wait and show it for live. And me I go somewhere, me can't even take a picture. You know, them I go say to see on my own, me I step out the insole. People just say them soon take a picture in that. It's true. That's why I tell you say Jamaicans are the worst set of people them. The worst set of people them. All when them not have it, them are going like them have it. And this start from me born in the inner city. And me I tell you the truth. Jamaicans a place where you can't keep one furniture too long. You have to dash with that and go on the man there so go owe him. You show a partner. You have a nice dress in Teresa. You have a nice big dress and you see something in a magazine, you want that. And your house can even hold it by the time it reaches in the chip up. And then you walk and you leave your door open for people pass and say Jamaicans are the only set where have one big rotted TV on a board wall. You know, you have a one room and you have a big TV. By the time if you come out the door, you can't see because you're blind off yourself on the inside. You never know the stupidity, the level of stupidity. Your bed big in the bedroom and your TV big in the bedroom. And the only thing your house can hold is a sack. You have this big ratty TV on the board wall. Thank you very much here, Roxanne. Big up on yourself. I show me attack. Yeah, you have this big ratty TV on the board wall. Sit down. No, it's true. By the time you come out the door, say ya. Yeah, who that call me? All I know you can't see. Exactly. Them priorities mash up and it shake up. A Carib cinema for true. All of a sudden, and they make cuss you say, hey, how big your TV? No matter how big my TV be, because if me and you are going to go watch the same thing, it are done at the same time. Whether the TV little or whether it big, whether it want to be a computer monitor, the whole of we watch the show the same time. If I news, the whole of we get the same message. Even if I turn our phone. Well, I never know. People used to see me. Then Shebada, a big star like you now travel first class. I said my first class would have done when the plane lift up because at the back of the plane land first. At the back of the plane touch down first and the whole of we want touch down for a girl, man. So when they pay for first class, you only get up before us. But who land before you? We do. Because you can't frighten me with nothing. Then the way you have to do here so with we. Then the whole of we not on the same flight. If it for go down, all of we, you go like you go to survive because you're in a first class. Hello? Hello? So you're going to spend over $500,000 for travel first class go England or Europe, right? Over $500,000 to go Europe. I'm a landlord that use phone lighter, look for me. One man. After I have poor circulation, so I'm going to uncup. If I sit down here and say I'm uncup, so it simply means that I can't uncup so in one flight. I'm going to let me meditate. Name me a whole renge kyo, name me a whole renge kyo, name me a whole renge kyo, name my whole renge kyo. Any language I want to meditate in. You never know. I don't know how people stay so, but as I said, nothing frighten me. And the people that were on the capture land, I'm going to tell you the truth. We don't learn a lesson from Melissa. If one parish can mash up with storm and the government now rebuild and them can't even get water, why you think say you should really sit down on one land and think say the government now come feed? Then you don't watch how much news. Eh? Remember, you know, many capture land come with bridge light. Many capture land come with bridge light. Because the place then depend on GPS map. And you're so damn creative when you run on a water source. You have running water. You have a bathroom with shower. Because they are poor, them poor mentally. Because if you're going enough of these capture houses, may I tell you something, they might live better than me and you. You never know that. It's waste of money. It's a waste of money. If the land is not yours, do not go on it. It no matter how homeless you want to be, do not go on it. If you go on it, try save your money if you come off of it. We are too complacent mentally and physically. No, Nicoline, it's true. Nicoline, let me tell you the truth. You see, if me born and grow up and capture land, me can't fight nothing at all with government want to do, or people, or whoever want to come for them place. I cannot fight it, and it's just the truth. We are too complacent in our capture place. All we want here, so we not have to pay this and we not have to pay that. That's all we want to hear. I mean, I said this for no argument, but you said Mudfish Madam Marie. I remember when she did go to the capture land, Bullby go live. You know why? Because she have family were out there. We go out there before, and she go out there go live. And my, she run left somewhere where government give them. That are right beside me in Franklin Town. She run away leave somewhere where government give them. Right beside me in Franklin Town. Me live at 10, she live at 12. You never know. Wouldn't you think they would move? But they got notice to move. They did not move. They got notice to move, Nicoline. They didn't. They did not. They were preempt. And a martial law time, with them coming by unannounced, they got notice to move. But sometimes we feel so we born and grow, yeah. And them not learn from Melissa. You understand me? If you can come from foreign and say your grandfather have house, a country and land, and when Melissa come here here say there wasn't any legal documents, and nobody can utter a word because your grandpicnic don't know what truth it be. But you see, because you have your heart and soul upon the land, you should have sold it. You should have sold it. I have this, my first, my third, my fifth generation. No, my baby. Tell your fifth or your first or your third generation, say, come and acquire your own. You know what Tyler Perry said? Him not leave nothing for him son. Him son are going to come and grow and learn what it's like to inherit your own. And I think most of us grow up on dead left. Most of we grow up on dead left. Yeah. You see, when Mudfish mother move, go to the capture land of Bull Bear, you know what happened? I'm glad it's not 6 months bring her back. She have to come back right to Franklin Town with the government gear. You never know. Right on the little lot where the government give you. Why would you take up yourself and go and capture land, go invest and inherit things from capture land? Why would you want to do that? That is my point. The land is not yours. This is not our land. This is capture land. And the government, let me tell you something. No, but we understand, you know, Nicoline, but you have to understand when people go on places, them no want to move. Them no believe, say them outgrow certain things. That's why a lot of us too, in the ghetto, the first big money we get, we start develop somewhere in the ghetto and then muggle upon the people in the ghetto and tell the people in the ghetto so we have the money. How can you be in the ghetto, born in the ghetto and develop a big house now in the ghetto? Everything around the house make your house look like foolishness. The money where you go spend for put on a 3-story house in the ghetto and your mother house, you not move out? You know, seek and buy piece of land. And take your time develop it. That is what I'm saying. If you want to be uplifting or you want to have some form of upliftment, you cannot subdue yourself to things that does not belong to you. You never know. You cannot. Then picture me build up a rotted mansion in a Franklin Town, knowing that the mansion are there in front of the gully. Mentality. Eh? Me I go party 11 stairs upstairs. When we reach up on top of my house now, me can look all over in a Spanish town. Eh? Me see the whole of Portmore. But I'm still in the ghetto. Where's the upliftment? I've seen too much big houses in a Franklin town. And guess what? It just deteriorates. It just deteriorates. Nicoline, it just got to nothing. Look on pink building. No man, that's my dear. Ask SYM, when pink building a bill, you think a development a go on. The only thing ever on pink building will look like it's still on one empty bar and one scatter shop. Yeah, ask them. Half a pink building, I don't know where one feet you know. 3/4 pink building worthless. Because if you open a shop in the inner city, you just work hand to mouth. You never know that when you open things in a... Thank you. See the Al Rochelle building gone right now, eh? No, it have nothing to do with the government. It don't have nothing to do with the government. The government is there to keep you down. But you are there to uplift yourself out of the government and our eyesight. Nicoline, it's true. It's true. I would never develop my yard at Franklin Town. I would never. The only thing me that fix are the roof and the fence. If it a pop down. Just the roof and the fence. And paint the houses them in there. But I would never state that me gonna lick down this and build a mansion and put something around there so and something around here so. Never. Me not like circulated money. In a Franklin Town you have 40 Levitine shops. Of course zinc pens, nothing wrong with zinc pens still. But would you want to leave out of your comfort zone and come back into your childhood home knowing that your childhood home is deplorable? Eh? Me can't have that in you, so me no want to relive that. Me no want to relive that. If my mother no want to move, she's hell-bent and staying there. So that's good for you, mommy. You stay there, so. This is the only thing you know, but me I go out for more experience. Me want to develop outside. You cannot be inside and say that you're excelling. You're not excelling. You have to spread your wings and fly. You have to spread your wings and fly. That is why some of us graduate from community school and we end up in a college. That is why some of us go to community primary school and we gone out to the prominent high schools. You know, because we have to mix and mingle. Remember when I always dirty bungle? I love Franklin Town. Me not go tell no lie. But me want all down there. You mad? Me don't want grey hair catch me down there. You know that if you come out of your community for 6 months and go back, everybody look deplorable to you. You never know. Who no look quail up, look fall up. Who you believe when them did young come back, you see that let them all up. You never know that. You see when you're in the community because you're born and grow there, you take people as them image. They don't look nowhere to you. But you see the moment you come out and you realize that, oh my God, I'm on the outside. And you've been on the outside. Yes, when you go back inside, you make people know, say, my God, you look bad, you look terrible. Are you ill? Sometimes nothing wrong with them, so you leave them. You never know that. Try it. I cannot forget one time I go Franklin Town for how long, but almost 8 months or a year I had. And when I go Franklin Town, Jesus, my heart breaks so woodum. I couldn't get out the car. My heart break. My heart break. Some little boy when I leave, when I see them all are grey. I mean know them young, so I know that age give them grey hair. I stress. Phyllis. May I try remember Phyllis at 3 York Street. Phyllis. Me no quite remember my baby. No, it's true, my heart break. When I see some little boy and I say, mighty God of Daniel. How that? You see when you see the woman them, Jesus have mercy. Me have to say no, say if me did down your son, them would look now weird to me. But I saw it go for true. I saw it go for real. You love your community, but you have to love it from a distance to save you. You never know that? No, my baby. Me not gonna know them, so my baby. Me remember strength, of course. Me know yes, oh yes! Me know who you attack no good as. Me know who you attack. Yeah, me know who you attack. Right at, I feel them out of the last house of the corner. Yeah, remember me live up the road and them live down the road. Are your parents them there? Yes, me know them. Me know Phyllis now. Yes, me know them now. With them grandmother the name, them mother name is Garden, right? Me remember Sanya, I miss, what's your name? Sanya did have a sister named Lisa. And a brother named Glenn. And I think, me don't know what I'm to Glenn. Me remember them. No, Charlene. Now, Charlene is the name? Charlene. Yeah, Charlene. Yes. Me remember on the know, Lord Jesus, holy people know me. Been around the town and die, I still can't find my nature. I don't know where, I don't know why. Yeah. You have to graduate out of the community. You have to graduate out of your community. Some of us like develop and dead left. Some of us love to develop and capture land too much. And it's just the truth. We will never learn that we're always a loser at the end of the day. You are loser and nobody else will lose. You are lose. At the end of the day, you're the one losing. You never know. You put a lot of money. It's just like living with a man. And the man inviting you in place. He take you from country. Me just as a country. Because enough man will go live with them. And you know, and you do everything. The man say, no, so I want to put on a room here, so. And you put on a room there, so. And when the man is ready for run, you can't even take out the block, the steel, and the cement. You gotta go. Born, live and die for true. I will never fight over nothing for family. Me will never fight over nothing for family. Over nothing at all for family. So if Jai dead left one frack and the Mercer siblings them come and want take it, wanna fight over it. Wanna fight over it. I would never ever, when me not buy, me no want. When me no buy, me no want. So make the world tell me, if my mother have a land down there and a house and my brother and sister them live down there, I rather go to road go pay rent. And when them say, remember your room on the back? Me not remember my room on the back. Me not remember my room on the side. Me a go to road go pay rent. You know why? Because me a pay for own something outside. So me can come look for the people them down there and say, Lord, this is my room, you know, look how them rent it out. You gonna fight me feet, you not have to fight me, take it. No fight. You and me now go ever fight. No care how bad me be, you and me now go ever fight feet. Now go ever fight feet. Why you think people can't use nothing and bribe me? A whole heap of people come with things to bribe me. You now get nothing for bribe me. You never know. Me say me have a cousin. When she used to come from foreign, and me a little picnic, a long time God bless me, you know. Me have a cousin. My name Jackie. When she used to come from foreign, Jackie used to bring things here next door neighbor. People at Rockfort, man all over, woman all over. And Jackie said she now bring nothing for me because my face stay. But I never know that though. Jackie said she now bring nothing come give me because me face stay. But I never know. I know say all Jackie don't bring to me, I never ate that lady. I can't eat Jackie for what she have. People may go tell you the truth. You see all of what Jackie do me when I was a child. You see when I'm a big and boss, I don't eat Jackie. When I go to New York, I make Jackie come watch my show free. And if she bring nobody, them come free. Me. And me I tell you, that lady spite me as a baby. You never know that. And I never hold grudge pan Jackie. Never hold grudge pan her. It's when me have show in New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens. And Jackie say, I want to come in how much for your ticket. I say you could have outer hard and bright. You're my cousin. You could never buy a ticket. You never invite me. Oh, I say you can't buy no ticket. And she would say, mother come in and me say bring them, they are on me. They are on me. I never hold a grudge because let me tell you this. She teach me a valuable lesson. In spite of how carnage it might look as a child, she taught me a valuable lesson. She reminded me of the story of the words where my mother always say, mother or father are blessed is the child that have his own. She reminded me of that. You never know. So when time she come and she bring things to everybody, my baby, it never hurt me. Because me not have no expectations of anybody who will bring nothing. Say me I go get something. Me not have no expectations. But I will still deal with you. Me remember Jackie and my mother in a talk. Cause Jackie want to put out my mother. And my mother is an auntie. My mother have legal rights to the place than she. And she and my mother in a talk and my mother gonna work. And Jackie has steamed fish for her husband. And Jackie look at me and say, you don't have no tomato? I say, come. And I let her in my mother's house, open my mother's fridge. Yeah, Jesus piece of market, me come. And I say, take what you want. I don't think I tell my mother until long after when she and my mother are friends. I tell my mother. Because you see, God work in mysterious ways. Wonders to perform. You understand me? Me not ask you, me not hold people according to them sin. Because if God will judge me according to my sins, trust and believe. No, I'm not Leo, my baby, me Aquarian. You know, I'm born February the 14th. If God will hold me according to my sin, the Bible says, show mercy, I will obtain mercy. Me not ask you. I remember one time, you know, Jackie took it to another level, you know. And I tell you, say, them time they may wash plate. I want to work place, because I used to work in one kitchen. And me a cable and wireless. And me a wash plate. And I remember the day, and me a talk to God about Jackie. Me a tell you, say, God funny, you know, people. God funny. Not over 3 o'clock, my love. God funny, you know, people. And me a talk to God in about the situation. And you know, me just start ball. I start ball because I tell you say, me hate Jackie them time there, you know. Me hate Jackie, me hate Jackie, me hate Jackie. And the Lord said to me over the sink, can I make sure nobody take the cash register from the supervisor. And she said, come now Ramsey, come cash. I say, hey, me are clear today. Me not cashing. And I say, when me dead there, and me I wash the plate them over the sink, you know. Can me just hear a soft voice come down upon me and say, you want forgiveness? You have to forgive Jackie. Me ball, you think of my eye water, wash the plate then. People are the longest me ever ball so in my life. Are the longest me ever cry for hours. And when me tell you say hours me cry for, me not forget this, me cry for hours people. Me ball. When the Lord say, you want forgiveness? Forgive Jackie. Me I wonder what God talk about. Me I wonder if God really understand when I tell me say, me ball. You see when me leave, everybody at work I wonder what do me. And the taxi man, when me come up in a taxi, I wonder what do me. Me just a ball I go so. Me ball. Me therefore go up at Deanery Road, go meet the ride where I can go training. Come used to the track and field. And when me I wait on the ride, me ball. When me get the ride, me ball. When me there training, me ball. No man, me did drink only for water like I never played. Me I wash the water, me there drink when me over the sink. You see when me I come home, me ball. And me just have to give up and just say, God, I forgave her. And that wasn't it. The Lord say that the first step, you have to get your mother and your brother to forgive her. Jesus. Merciful Father. You know, me just go to them and say, the Lord say, if you don't want on the deliverance, you don't have to forgive Jackie. And my brother, because he's stubborn, you know, my brother looks so, and the calmest me ever seen there. Of course, God set me up. And the calmest me ever seen there. I tell my mother, I say, you have to forgive her. And I said to my mother, say, you see, over the part of the house where she fix up, it's gonna be yours. I say, she'll fix it up for you. My mother said, go along for me, so. I said, alright. It never take long. It never take long. She and her husband kick off. Them a divorce. It never take long. And she said to me, say, come I did it with her, because I'm not a friend now, you know. I did it, and she said to me, say, me no want to leave you so empty. Shebada, go for your mother furniture them. Oh, did I do it? Forgive Jackie? I just automatically forgive her. The Lord said forgive her. After I done ball, I not forgive her. Just like that, Nikolai. I just forgive her. I just forgive her. Just like that. I just forgave her. I forgave the lady. Just like that, because it's not my will. I just say, okay, God, I forgive her. You see, I see her morning time. I say, morning. If she want answer, she want answer. If she don't want answer, she not answer. When I tell her morning, she frightened. She say, morning. Yeah. And me I go in and out and she say, yeah go a shop, yeah go. I say, yeah. She say, you can't buy something for me. I say, what you want? I'm buy it and I can't come here. And that's it. No, you can't find it hard to forgive. You can't find it hard to forgive. And you broke yourself, so. And you broke yourself, so. Anybody will say them find it hard to forgive, and you broke yourself, so. And you create that demon in you, yeah? Now me so the track and feel, my baby. Ask Usain Bolt. All Usain Bolt know me. I saw probably all of them know me. A long time I starring, my friend. Long time, my baby. Yeah. That is it. No, you're not forgive her in your heart, my baby. Don't say that. If you say you forgive her in your heart, but you will never talk to her, that's a lie. You see, Mudfish now, I forgive Mudfish, but guess what? I would not want to sit and say, hi mothers, how you doing mothers? If Mudfish come to Jamaica and see me at Franklinton and say, keep me, can I say, alright? And that's it. Nothing more. Me not hold a conversation. Me not have you up. Me not have you up. Me not try every way not to walk in your presence for you to call to me. It still means I have you up. No, you can't find it hard to forgive her. A whole heap of wickedness people do me, my baby. Trust and believe me. A whole heap of wickedness people do me. You never know. Ask me if me eat cute boss now. All I know I don't eat cute boss, but me gonna make an example out of her. Me not eat cute boss, but me eat her for. No more me and Coopers never buck up one place yet. No, you can't do that, my baby. You see, forgiveness is supposed to hurt you. It's supposed to hurt you when you forgive, because you are rid yourself of a demon that you have created. You never know. You never know that if me did for other people in other art what God give me, I wouldn't be talking to Uno today. Me not ask him, my baby. I'm not asking you. The Bible says if your brother have heart against you, not if you have a heart against the brother, you know. If your brother have heart against you, can you imagine? Your brother hate you for no reason. Him say leave the gift at the altar and go reconcile with your brother. You never know that. You see, when you try to reconcile and them throw it in your face, you just forgive them and hold your side of the bargain. You not have to in and no kiss up and no munchy. You just know that you do have them up and you make a step already, and that's it. You never know. Make your side of the bargain pure. You never know that. Thank you very much, my baby. Thank you, Sophia, to me attack. Farah. Yeah, it's true. No, Maya, it can't be 8 for 8. Well, kudos to you, down at L. It can't be 8 for 8. And that is why I say sometimes when you have people in your heart, you're sick quick. You're sick very quick. Very quickly. Content, big up yourself. Demo, big up yourself. Yeah, you're sick very quickly. Me not have no time for nobody make me short live. No, me not have no time. Me not have no time for that. You have to forgive and let go. People are going to do you the darnest thing. Remember them put mac up on Jesus head and give him vinegar for drink. And all him do are come for save the world. Thank you, Dima. Roxanne, big up yourself. All him do are come for save the world. You never know that. At the world, Jesus come for save. Jesus come for half a life. And them throw it back in him face. So there, big up yourself. No, it's true. If you know, so you're going to remember and it's going to hurt you, try to remember. It wasn't me, it was my brother. It doesn't matter who it be, Nicolai. If you have heart against somebody, if you have up your sister, if you have up your mother, let them go for your own health. Yeah, I did done it, you know. I tell Jackie, I just tell Jackie, man, and Jackie asked me for buy something for her shop. I go buy it for her shop. All she frightened. Yeah? And from she travel back and forth, I never beg her nothing. I never beg her nothing. You never know. See this one? I never beg her nothing. Alright, you see, if you have a purpose to let go and don't communicate with them, it simply means that you have them up a little. So if them see you, you're going to avoid going in their presence. You're going to avoid even wanting them to call to you. No, that simply means that you have them up. If my enemy come right here so right now and say, Shebby, want to go? I say, nothing, I'm going to move on. We won't have a conversation, because the moment you start to have a conversation with me, I'm going to say, stop. We are not friends and we never will be. It's just that we can be cordial, we can be neutral in the same space. You understand me? We can be cordial in the same space.